She's gonna swallow it so she can't have it.
Look at your papa, girls. Look at your papa.
You wanna say cheese?
Good job, babe. Yoda.
Yoda. What, is this a movie?
Good, I'm glad I dressed up for it.
We were all looking really good like 20 minutes ago.
Yeah, you should have come in a bit earlier.
This is like waiting till we've all eaten Christmas dinner.
That's how he rolls, really.
Just focus on the children.
That's a big belly. I see he's dropped some.
Sweaty.
You do look larger today, Allie.
It's huge.
It's growing every day.
Well, yeah, I guess that's true.
Jumping right.
Yeah, she's having twins. She's turning that.
Everybody thought she was according
she
to the
is.
string they were cutting.
She'll
Really, I look
we'll turn it at the last moment. It's not really one, it's two.
That'd be exciting, right? As long as Mom keeps
Marie.
one for a year.
Marie.
Marie and Emma. Emma and Emma.
Emma and Emmett.
Oh, that would be so bad.
The M&Ms. You're bedazzled. Barb gave me. Which is actually tight on the big canvas right now.
Very nice.
Wow.